I was checking my bank statement last night, and honestly, I couldn't believe how much money I had spent on food delivery during the last month.
Really? You look genuinely surprised. Was the amount much higher than what you were expecting?
Much higher than I imagined. I knew I ordered food quite often after work, but I never realized that I was spending such a large amount every single month.
That's usually how these habits work. A few small orders don't seem expensive when you're placing them, but the total can be shocking when everything gets added together.
That's exactly what happened to me. Every order felt like a small expense at the time, but seeing the final amount made me realize how careless I had become.
Besides the money, have you noticed any other effects from eating outside so frequently over the past few months?
Actually, yes. I've been feeling tired more often lately, and I don't seem to have the same energy levels that I used to have before.
That doesn't surprise me at all. Restaurant food is convenient and tasty, but it's not always the healthiest option, especially when it becomes part of your daily routine.
I think you're right. The more I think about it, the more I realize that I really need to make some changes in my lifestyle.
So what's your plan? Are you thinking about completely stopping food delivery from now on?
That sounds like a realistic goal. Small changes are usually much easier to maintain than extreme ones.
That's exactly what I'm hoping for. I want to build better habits without making my life feel difficult or stressful.
A few of us are planning to order burgers and fries from that new restaurant nearby. The reviews are amazing, and everyone says the food is worth trying at least once.
Honestly, that sounds incredibly tempting right now because I skipped breakfast this morning, and I'm feeling much hungrier than usual.
Then why are you even thinking twice about it? This seems like the perfect opportunity to treat yourself and enjoy a good meal.
Because I've recently decided to reduce how often I eat outside. I'm trying to save money and develop healthier eating habits at the same time.
That's true. She was telling us yesterday how surprised she was after checking how much money she had spent on food delivery last month.
I understand the goal, but changing habits is never easy, especially when you're surrounded by delicious food every day.
Tell me about it. The challenge has barely started, and I'm already struggling to stay focused on my plan.
That's completely normal. Whenever we try to improve a habit, temptation seems to appear much more often than before.
Exactly. Suddenly every burger, pizza, and sandwich starts looking 10 times more attractive than it usually does.
That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. My homemade lunch suddenly looks much less exciting compared to those burgers you're talking about.
But remember why you started. You wanted to save money, feel healthier, and stop depending on food delivery every time you felt tired.
You're right. When I think about the bigger picture, it makes more sense to stick to my plan instead of giving in so quickly.
I have to admit, I'm impressed. Most people would have already changed their minds by now.
Trust me, I'm still tempted. I'm just trying very hard not to make decisions based on cravings alone.
That's actually a great way to think about it. Good habits are built when we make decisions based on our goals instead of our temporary feelings.
And every time you resist temptation, it becomes a little easier the next time a similar situation comes along.
I hope that's true because I have a feeling this won't be the last time someone mentions burgers in front of me.
Probably not, but every small victory counts. You're already doing much better than you think.
Thanks. I needed that reminder today. My future self will probably be grateful that I stayed committed to my goal instead of giving up on the second day.
That's the spirit. And who knows? Maybe a few weeks from now, you'll be the one teaching the rest of us how to make healthier choices.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now, I'm just trying to survive lunch without ordering that burger. If I really want to stop ordering food so often, I need to start keeping good ingredients at home and cook more regularly.
That's a wonderful decision. What kind of meals are you planning to prepare?
Nothing too fancy. I'm still new to cooking, so I want to start with simple meals that don't take too much time.
That's actually the smartest approach. Many people try complicated recipes at the beginning and end up feeling discouraged.
Exactly. I want this new habit to feel manageable instead of stressful.
In that case, I'd recommend vegetables, eggs, rice, fruits, and a few healthy snacks for the week.
That sounds perfect. I'm also trying to stay away from junk food because I know I'll be tempted to eat it.
That's a smart strategy. If healthy food is already available at home, you're much less likely to order food from outside.
That's exactly what I'm hoping for. I want to make good choices easier for myself. It's funny because this recipe looked incredibly easy when I watched the video this afternoon. That's usually how cooking videos work. They make everything look much easier than it really is. I followed every step carefully, but something definitely doesn't taste right. Why are you looking at the pan like it personally betrayed you? Because I'm trying to figure out where everything went wrong. Let me guess. Did you accidentally add too much salt? I think I added it twice without realizing it. Well, that would certainly explain the problem. Wonderful. My first serious attempt at cooking has officially become a disaster. Don't be so hard on yourself. Every good cook has made mistakes like this before. I really hope tomorrow's dinner yields better results than today's experiment. Today was honestly one of the busiest and most exhausting days I've had in weeks.
What happened? You look completely drained. Did something go wrong at work?
We had deadlines, back-to-back meetings, technical issues, and unexpected tasks from morning until evening.
That sounds incredibly stressful. No wonder you look so tired.
By the time I got home, I didn't feel like cooking at all. I just wanted to order a pizza and relax.
I can understand that. Those are usually the moments when old habits become the hardest to resist.
Exactly. I even opened the delivery app and spent a few minutes looking through different restaurants.
Really? I thought you might end up placing an order.
I almost did, but then I reminded myself why I started this challenge in the first place.
So what did you do instead?
I closed the app, made myself a simple sandwich, and called it dinner.
That's actually impressive. It may not have been as exciting as pizza, but you stayed committed to your goal.
That's true. The sandwich wasn't amazing, but keeping my promise to myself felt much better in the end.
And that's exactly how good habits are built, one small decision at a time.